Today I'll show you how to copy and paste multiple items to your clipboard in Windows 11. This is useful if you want to keep a history of everything you copy so you can paste it later. First type Clipboard in the search box, then click on Clipboard Settings. Now turn on the switch next to Clipboard History. Once enabled, I can copy text, words or URLs multiple times and Windows will save a history of my copies. For example, I'll copy a couple of sentences and a URL. To view everything saved in the clipboard, press Windows plus V on your keyboard. As you can see, I now have a list of the words and URLs I copied earlier. I can simply click on the one I want and it will be pasted. And that's it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.